This section here, you always wonder, what is the use of it? Well, today I'm going to show you what they are and how to use them. So first, you make a block, like I've already made it here. You can edit it, and then you see three options. So add input, which means you can add a number or a tag, like variables like these ones. Now, you might have always wondered what is this one? If you want your player to jump without any lag or flow, you can use this, which means it will jump smoothly and it will not go slow. But if you want a platform to move, you should not take this, because this one, it means for animation. But if you take this, it means you will not need to animation, it will go really fast into it. Now, this is the time down. So it can be as simple as if on edge bound, just click that and done. And then you can make another green flag and then put the my block bounce here, and then forever loop you can change by y minus 5. So let's see. Now it can be as simple as that, but if you are making huge amounts of code, it is good to break it out by using my blocks. Easily mistaken, like you can have mistakes easily because you have so many big scripts. It will be really difficult. Okay, that's how my blocks work. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and like, and bye.